Meaning of draughtboard.
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 Draughtboard. A draughtboard is a square board with an 8x8 grid of squares, typically used for playing checkers. The squares on the board are usually colored in alternating light and dark colors, such as white and black. Players move game pieces, called checkers or drafts, diagonally across the board to capture their opponent's pieces. The objective is to capture all of the opponent's pieces or block them from moving. Drafts is a classic strategy game that has been played for centuries and remains popular today.